guys, my name is Arif Zakafri.
My name is Ahmad Fawzul Azeem bin Zahari.
My name is Abdul Qayyum bin Abdul.
My name is Amanina Husna.
We are from Group 1 from EC1101B.
And this video is about our third assessment
for subject MAT183.
So, hope you guys enjoy it.
And please share and subscribe.
For our third assessment, the topic that we choose is applications of integration. There are two subtopics under this topic. First one is area between two curves, and the second one is volume solid of revolution. For area between two curves, we need to determine the area between two lines like this. For volume solids of revolution, there are three methods that we can use to solve the problem that related to this topic. First one is this method, and second one is washer method, and the last one is shell method. So my friends and I have chosen this question from past year December 2018. So let's try to solve it. There are total 4 questions here. So first question will be explained by me, Abdul Qayyum. Second question will be explained by Azeem. Third question will be explained by Amanina, and the last question will be explained by Arif Syazwan. So this is the first question. Question A. The region R is figure 2 is bounded by the curves y squared equal 1 minus x and the line y equal x plus 1. So like you see in this figure 2, this region R is bounded by curves y squared equal 1 minus x and the line of y equal to x plus 1. Okay, so first question is find the coordinates of A and B. So as you can see here, back at the figure, so you can see here there are A and B here. So the question asks to find the coordinate of these 2 points. Okay, so we already know that we had 2 equations. First one y x plus 1 and the second one y squared equal to 1 minus x. So after the 2 equations that had been given to us, okay, so you can number it down as 1 and 2. After that, you can substitute the first equation into the second equation. So it will become like this: x plus 1 in the bracket squared equal to 1 minus x. So settle first the left side. So you will get this, okay? And the last one, you will get the quadratic equation. X power of 2 plus 3x equal to 0. Okay, because this is the quadratic equation, so we can do a factorization here. Okay, with the factorization, we will get the value of x. So we will get x1 equal to negative 3 and x2 equal to 0. Okay, so we already find the value of x. Now we need to find the value of y. Okay, refer to the equation that had been given to us. Okay, choose either one of it. Okay, either first equation or second equation to find the value of y. So for this, I choose the first equation to find the value of y. Okay, there are 2 values of x. So we will do it one by one. Okay, first x1 equal to negative 3. So we can replace x with negative 3 here. So y, we will get negative 2. Okay, and then the second value of x is 0. So we replace the x with 0 and we will get y equal to 1. So after we get the value of x and y, okay, we refer back to our figure 2. Okay, here we can see point A is located in positive area. Isn't that x and y for A is positive? And point B located in negative area, where x and y for B is in negative. So we can conclude here that coordinates for A is 0, 1, and coordinates for B is negative 3, negative 2.
I have been assigned to answer question 5A to Roman. So I need to find the shaded region of R. So the first equation, it gave me that y equal to x plus 1, and the second one is y the power of 2 equal to 1 plus x. So I have to let x as the main equation because y has the power of 2, so it's harder to find it and it will be massifying. Okay, so the first one is I change it to x equal to y minus x equal to 1 minus y the power of 2 and x equal to y minus 1. So I put it in the formula, it's called this method. So so the formula is right minus left. So 1 negative 2 in bracket 1 minus y the power of 2 minus in bracket 1 y minus 1 in bracket dy. So first step is we have to minus, and y minus 1 minus y the power of 2 minus y plus 1 equals to 1 negative 2 negative y power of 2 minus y plus 2 dy. So in a bracket minus y power of 3 over 3 minus y power of 2 over 2 plus 2y close the bracket 1 negative 2. So and then in bracket negative 1 power of 3 over 3 minus 1 power of 2 over 2 plus 2 in bracket 1. So we minus in bracket negative 2 over 3 minus negative 2 over 2 to the power of 2 plus 2 in bracket negative 2 equals to 7 over 6 minus in bracket negative 10 over 3. So we get 9 over 2 unit the power of 2 because it's area. So we need to, so the power is 2.
Okay, now I'm going to do this question. So we need to find the volume of the solid generated when the shaded region R is revolved about line x equal to 1 using the washer method. Okay, the x equal to 1 is actually the line here, vertical line here. So we want to rotate it. Okay, so the formula to find the volume is this formula, V equal to pi integrate y2 y1 outer radius squared minus inner radius squared dy. I already typed here before. So firstly, we need to find the outer radius and inner radius. This both should be in terms of y because we rotate the vertical line here. In this region, we need to find the far part from the vertical line here. So this is the part which represent the equation of y equal to x plus 1. So we need to modify it first to be in terms of y. Okay, so it should be x equal to y minus 1. So this part is the inner part which represent this equation. So again, we need to modify it to be in terms of y. So it should be x equal to 1 minus y squared. Now I will insert this equation and this equation in our outer radius and inner radius. So before we insert this equation, we need to minus with x equal to 1 because x equal to 1 here is the axis of rotation. So insert the equation here in this equation. Okay, so 1 minus y minus 1. Okay, for inner radius, 1 minus 1 minus y squared. Okay, so this is the equation of our outer radius and inner radius. So we need to finish it first. 1 minus y minus 1. Okay, then should be negative y plus 2. Okay, so we finish this equation first. 1 minus 1 plus okay, now we insert the outer radius and inner radius in this equation. Okay, so for y2 and y1 here, we need to find its value in.
Hi guys, my name is Syazwan. I will be explaining the question B2, which is y equals to negative 2 using shell method. Okay, firstly we can see this is the line y equals to negative 2. We need to calculate this volume shaded region using shell method. Firstly, we find the y coordinate, which is we get from the above question y equals to 1, y equals to negative 1. Okay, then the equation express x. That means x equals to 1 minus y minus 1. This one is x equals to 1 minus y square. Okay, we will see the full answer. Okay, this is the graph just now. Okay, so the full answer, firstly we need to find the radius. Okay, the radius formula is y minus the line that revolve. So we can see here y minus it using y equals negative 2. So y minus in bracket negative 2. So it will be y plus 2. Okay, so we get the radius. Okay, for the height, this graph is using x-axis. So we're using right minus left. So this is right. The right is, this is the equation for right. So we change the place of x until it becomes 1 minus y squared, like this. And then left, this is the equation. So put x alone, 1 move here, then y minus 1 equals to x. So be here. Right minus left. Right minus left. This is the equation. I spend the negative. And then we get this as height. So we already get r and h. Then use this formula. Y using dy. Because y equals to negative. The line is y, so we're using dy. Okay? So you use this formula. Volume is 2 pi integrate radius height dy. This 2y is the coordinate of the intersection point. Intersection point y. We get y equals to 1 and y equals to negative 2. Y equals to negative 2. Y equals to 1. So this is the function of these two coordinates. Okay, so we'll move on to here. This is radius and this is height. Then expand and solve it. Then integrate after finish expanding, this you can cut. Then you get this negative y square minus 2y square equals to 3y square. Negative 3y square. Then integrate this equation. Then we get this. This you can simplify, cut this, and then get y3. Then you can put it another form, which is negative 1 over 4 y to the power 4. Yeah, after finish simplify, put 1 and negative 2 inside the equation, and then you get this. This is for 1 and this is for negative 2. After finish, put the 1 and negative 2, then minus. You can see here minus will be plus. So 11 over 4 plus 4 equals to 27 over 4. So this need to times inside. So we can cut 2 and 4. 4 divided by 2 is 2. So 27 over 2. Pi just put here and units cube. Why cube? Because we are counting volume. Okay, so that's all for shell method for question B2. Okay, thank you.